Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
1. Hybridization. To find the hybridization of the C atom in H2CO, count the electron domains around it.
Double bond with oxygen, totaling 3 electron domains with no lone pairs. This configuration corresponds to sp² hybridization. 2. A highly electronegative atom, like the oxygen in CH3OH, and a lone pair on another electronegative atom, the oxygen in H2CO.
Hydroxyl group in CH3OH to the O atom in H2CO3.
Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.